about percentage. A percent is a fraction with 100 as its denominator. So, and a percentage is always denoted by the symbol like this. So, for example, 46 upon 100 is equal to 46%. 92 upon 100 is equal to 92%. 36 upon 100 is equal to 36%. Convert fractions into percentage. We have two fractions here, so we will convert these into percentage. So there are two methods. The first method is we need to change the denominator 10 to 100. So in order to change the denominator 10 to 100, we have to multiply this fraction with 10 by 10. So 3 tens is 30, 10 tens is 100. So we have learned anything divided by 100 means it's a percentage, 30%. So 3 by 10 is equal to 30%. This is my answer. Another second method is 3 by 10 multiplied by 100%. So we simplify and we get 3 tens are 30. So in both the methods, the answer is 30%. So this is another sum, a fraction which we need to change into percentage. So 3 by 4, we need to change the denominator to 100. So in order to bring this to 100, we take 25. So we multiply the numerator denominator by 25 and we get 3 25s are 75 upon 100. So 75 by 100 is equal to 75%. This is my answer. So 3 by 4 is 75%. Another method is to directly multiply by 100%. So 4 ones are 4 25s are 3 25s is 75%. So these are the two methods of converting fractions into percentage. Okay, we will convert these decimal numbers into percentage. Okay. So this decimal number, first we will convert it into a fraction. 0.6 we know is 6 by 10. Okay. Now once we have converted into fraction, now it is very easy for us to convert it into a percentage. Okay. So 6 by 10, you can apply any one method and simplify. We are applying the second method, 6 by 10 multiplied by 100. We are applying the second method to convert it into a percentage. So 6 tens is 60% is the answer. Second sum, 0.75. First we will convert it into a fraction, 75 by 100. Okay. 75 by 100 is already in the form of a percent. So the answer is 75%. Next sum, 1.3. 1.3 is, if we convert it into a fraction, it is 13 by 10. Okay, 13 by 10. So now if 13 by 10, 13 by 10, we will convert it into a percentage by multiplying it with 100%. Okay, so we simplify and we get the answer 13 into 10, that is 130%. Next sum, let us convert this into a fraction. 125 upon 1000. 1000. Now This fraction, let us convert it into a percentage by applying the second method, that is multiplying it with 100. Okay. So we simplify, 2 zeros cancel, and now we get 125 upon 10. 125 upon 10. So then we convert it into again a decimal number, that is 12.5%. The answer is 12.5%. 125 by 1000 multiplied by 100% is 125 by 10, and the answer is 12.5%.